My dear colleagues and friends, as 2020 comes to an end, I wanted to take a moment to share with you a few words after this difficult year. My first thoughts go to all the people around the world who have suffered and are suffering the most from COVID. And once again, it is the most vulnerable who have sadly paid the highest price. It hurts to witness so much suffering around the world. To you all, I want to say thank you. Thank you to Vincent for his outstanding leadership. Thank you to Jess and the entire people team for helping so many of our Palawans and for working around the clock to bring back the ones that have been or are still overseas. Your team has been the backbone of our values this year. Thank you to Eugene, who despite his major accident, continued to lead our amazing sales team, and together they strived to keep us strong despite such economic uncertainty. Thank you to Chris and our marketing team that continuously showed the outside world that our culture was still alive. Thank you to PH and our finance team that gave all of us reassurance and transparency on our financial situation. Thank you to Dimitri, Adela, Guru, Kevin, Faisal, Simon, and all our leadership team for their great mentoring and continued efforts to bring the company forward all year. And very importantly, thank you to all of you for making us a better company and for delivering outstanding projects that are building Palo's reputation every day, despite the level of stress, the lack of holidays, and all the challenges you had to face this year. Thank you. I often get asked what makes me the most proud about Palo Singapore. Is it the size of the team? Is it the clients? Is it our growth? Well, today I want to share you my why. And the answer to this why lies almost 9 years ago when I started the company. At the time, one of my main drivers for becoming an entrepreneur was because I had a dream that we could build a working environment that is safe and caring and where all Palawans could have a sort of second home, a second family. So while there are many things that make me proud about where the company is going, our working environment, our culture, and how you all embody our values are the things that stand out the most. We often hear that it is in difficult times that you discover the real nature of people. Well, I have been so humble as you have all shown me how true and real our values were by holding them so high. As a family would, you all looked after each other, cared for each other, supported each other in those difficult times, showing your true nature and by far exceeding that dream I had years ago. And for that, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Today, as Europe and North America are suffering from another wave of COVID, none of us know what 2021 holds for us. We hope and we think that it will be better than this year and that our lives won't be impacted as much as this year. We hope that we will all be reunited with our family members and loved ones and that the pandemic will finally be behind us. But we also know that there will still be challenges ahead of us. And among so much uncertainty, I want you all to know that there is no one else I would want to embrace this new year with. No other team I would want to face those challenges with. Because it is in trying times that it takes courage to have empathy, to listen, to stay positive and to care for others. And this will continue to define who we are as a company. As 2020 comes to its end, I want to say that I am grateful for having the opportunity to work with you again in 2021. I am grateful for everything you taught me this year, for everything I have learned from all of you, for all the happy and sad moments, and for all the inspiration you have given me. I also want to reiterate my commitment to all of you, commitment to listen and to support in good and trying times, commitment to stay true to our values and to devote all my passion and energy to continue to shape and improve our environment and our culture together. Finally, I want to wish you a very happy new year and especially health and happiness for you and for your loved ones and for all our Palo family. Let's put again kindness, caring, and support at the heart of everything we do in 2021. Thank you.